Dear students, hope you are doing great by the grace of Almighty. In today's video, I want to discuss about another trigonometric problem, that is that 1 by 2 minus tan squared theta plus 1 by 2 plus tan squared theta is equal 1. Now let's consider the left hand side first. Here left hand side is equal to 1 by 2 minus sine squared theta plus 1 by 2 plus tan squared theta. Let the first term remain as same. 1 by 2 negative sine squared theta plus 1 by 2 plus tan squared theta. That means we can write it like sine squared theta by cos squared theta. Now we can write 1 by 2 minus sine squared theta plus 1 by, here if we get a simplification of the denominator, then we get cos squared theta as LCM of 1 and cos squared theta. Now if we divide cos squared theta by 1, then we get cos squared theta, and 2 times of cos squared theta, that means 2 cos squared theta plus cos squared theta by cos squared theta is equal 1, and multiplied by 1 to sin squared by sin squared theta, we get sin squared theta. Now the first term is 1 by 2 negative sine squared theta plus, if we flip the denominator, that means 1 by the fraction, that means 1 multiplied by cos squared theta by 2 cos squared theta plus sine squared theta. Here we have cos squared theta by 2 cos squared theta plus sine squared theta. You can write it like 1 by 2 minus sine squared theta plus cos squared theta by 2 multiplied by cos squared theta, that means 1 minus sine squared theta plus sine squared theta. 1 by 2 negative sine squared theta plus cos squared theta by multiplied by 2, with this term we get 2 minus 2 sine squared theta, 2 negative 2 sine squared theta plus sine squared theta. Now we can write 1 by 2 minus sine squared theta plus cos squared theta by, here see that negative 2 sine squared theta plus sine squared theta, that means we have 2 minus sine squared theta. Now if we simplify the denominator, then we get LCM of 2 negative sine squared theta and 2 minus sine squared theta, we get 2 minus sine squared theta. If we divide LCM by 2 minus sine squared theta, we get 1, and 1 multiplied by 1 is equal 1 plus, in the same way, LCM by the denominator is equal 1, and 1 multiplied by cos squared, that means cos squared theta. Here now we can write it like 1 plus cos squared theta, that means 1 minus sine squared theta, and the denominator is 2 minus sine squared theta is equal the numerator is plus 1 and plus 1, that means plus 2 negative sine squared theta by 2 negative sine squared theta. If we eliminate the numerator and denominator, then we get 1 as result, which is our required right hand side.